Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox requires Microsoft Internet Explorer run. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox requires Microsoft Internet Explorer, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will enter to Roblox. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.